Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And this is my son Knox, he's 5 years old, and we're doing an activity called tablecloth measurement. I have put some stickers on this plastic tablecloth, and those are scratch and sniff stickers. That's why Knox has to smell them. Some of them are Christmas trees and some are Christmas cookies. And
some are candy canes.
And some are candy canes, that's right.
That's my favorite.
That's your favorite. Awesome. So all you need for this activity is a plastic tablecloth, some old stickers that you've got hanging around, and I actually cut some things out of magazines too because I ran out of stickers, and you need some non-standard units. We're using craft sticks today, and as you can see, I drew some lines between the clumps of stickers. That's to help kids kind of keep their measurements in a straight line since they like to kind of veer off a little bit between these clumps of stickers. As you can see, it's 4 craft sticks from the giraffe to the rocket ship and the astronauts, and we can make some other comparisons, and we can use some other non-standard units like straws or cotton balls or whatever we have on hand. This is a fun activity, and it's even fun making the mat together. Kids like to make their own too. Hey, I hope you're having fun building math positive mindsets with your kids. Have a great day. Say bye, Knox.